Plant the love of the holy ones within your spirit. Don't give your heart to anything but the love of those whose hearts are glad. By Rumi. Let the beauty of what you love be what you do. By Rumi. The world is the place where the light enters you. By Rumi. Out beyond ideas of wrongdoing and right doing, there is a field. I will meet you there when your soul lies down in the grass. The world is too full to talk about. By Rumi. Everything that is made beautiful and fair and lovely is made for the eye of one who sees. By Rumi. Stop acting so small. You are the universe in the ecstatic motion. By Rumi. Silence is the language of God. All else is poor translation. By Rumi. When you do things from your soul, you feel a river moving in you, a joy. By Rumi. There is an invisible strength within us when it recognizes two opposing objects of desire, it grows stronger. By Rumi. We are born of love. Love is our mother. By Rumi. Don't be satisfied with stories how things have gone with others. Unfold your own myth. By Rumi. Beauty surrounds us, but usually we need to be walking in a garden to know it. By Rumi. Your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. By Rumi. Through love, all that is bitter will be sweet. Through love, all that is copper will be gold. Through love, all drugs will become wine. Through love, all pain will turn to medicine. By Rumi. Listen, clam up your mouth and be silent like an oyster shell. For the tongue of yours is the enemy of the soul, my friend. When the lips are silent, the heart has 100 tongues. By Rumi. Everything in the universe is within you. Ask all from yourself. By Rumi. Words are a pretext. It is the inner bond that draws one person to another, not words. By Rumi. You were born with wings. We prefer to crawl through life. By Rumi. Everyone has been made for some particular work, and the desire for that work has been put in every heart. By Rumi. My soul is from elsewhere, I am sure of that, and I intend to end up there. By Rumi.